Push back the cuticles gently, because the natural nails are soft there. You can cause damage if you are hard on them. Push them upwards rather than downwards. We use e-file in the salon to take off the dry skin, what we scratch up by pushing back the cuticles. We use a diamond bit in this video for taking off the dry skin that is over the natural nail bed. This step is very important because that skin can cause liftings. We use a professional scissors to cut off the skin around the nails if needed. Take off some length if needed. Then take off the color by using an e-file. We always do apex on them, then do the colors. Of the apex method you can find a link below in the description. When you take off the colors, you still have clear layers on the nail plates. That is the apex. In this case you never touch the natural nails with the e-file, so you won't do any damage on them. This lady came back in 4 weeks for an infills, as you can see no liftings on them at all. That means we did a very good preparation previously. You can find a video link of the preparation in the description below. Use a Future Nails hand file to do the shaping and make the surface rough. Be gentle at the regrowth part, where your natural nail is bare. After the filing, use a lint-free tissue soaked in acetone to wipe off and clean the nails. We have clear layers left over from the previous apex. This time, we do a full layer of clear top first. Apply the base gel evenly and dip into the clear top, or base powder. Take off the excess powder with a Future Nails makeup brush. Then do a half layer of clear to build up some apex again. How many layers you do depends on the length of the nails. We use the color Fresh in this video. Do the first layer with it. Your application has to be even. You can control the amount of gel on your brush by using the plastic ring in the neck of the bottle. Avoid the cuticle area and don't touch the skin with your brush. Take off the excess powder with a Future Nails makeup brush. Do the second layer of color, as you did before. Do the shaping and buffing. Use the activator generously on the edges as well and wait 1 minute. The activator sets the top coat. Do the first layer of top coat. It should be a thin layer. Do it quickly, because this one seals the product. Wait until the first layer dries, it looks matte. Then do the second layer a bit thicker. Use cuticle oil to moisturize the skin.